I have these flattened alignment lines in CAD format. And these DirectShape Slabs in Revit, generated by someone else from the earlier alignment lines. And my task is to rebuild these DirectShape Slabs into native Revit floor family type. From Revit, export the DirectShape Slabs to CAD format. Import the alignment lines to this CAD model. Both the CAD and Revit must be geolocated correctly in order to match the slab geometries to alignment lines. In Revit, launch Rhino.Inside.Revit. Start Rhino and open the CAD model. Start Grasshopper and open the definition. These components collect alignment line and slab geometry. Offset alignment to get left and right slab edges. Protrude the edges to form some sort of imaginary walls. Divide the alignment line and project the division points to slab geometry, thus given the points their actual z coordinates. Project the points to the imaginary walls. Collect and format the points' coordinates, while also flatten the points and form a closed polyline as slab boundary. This is the part where we export the point coordinates to an Excel file. Repeat the process for the other alignment line and slab. This is the Rhino.Inside.Revit part, where we push the closed polyline to Revit as native Revit floor family and type. Reference alignment line 1 to Grasshopper. Reference alignment line 2 to Grasshopper. Reference slab 1 to Grasshopper. Reference slab 2 to Grasshopper. Define folder path and file name prior to exporting coordinates to Excel. Change toggle to true to export coordinates. This is how the exported coordinates look like in Excel. Let's temporarily hide the DirectShape Slabs. Define the category, family, and type for the closed polyline. Also define the reference level for the slab. Hit the play button to execute the definition. See that the closed polylines have been pushed to Revit as flattened native floor family and type. Next, we'll elevate the slabs to their actual elevations with Dynamo. Launch Dynamo. Open the graph. Define the folder path and file name of Excel, which we exported earlier. Here we'll format the data reference from Excel. This group of nodes isolate the data referenced from Excel. The numbers refer to indices of columns of data from Excel. This node elevates the flattened slab points to their actual elevations. Repeat the process for the other piece of slab. Reference the Excel file to Dynamo. Reference Slab 1 to Dynamo. Reference Slab 2 to Dynamo. Hit Run to execute the graph. See that the initially flattened slabs have been updated to actual elevations. And they are native Revit floor family and type. Let's switch on the original DirectShape Slabs for comparison. The updated slabs have smoother gradients because we have 10 times more division points compared to the original ones.